To get into our program, and we're going to touch our edit button, and we're going to pick our program number, which in this case is 1. We're going to hit enter. So now it's going to show us our steps, and we can scroll through those steps in sequence to see what those are. So let's say in this job we laid it out and we started and we realized that we didn't need our first step. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit step, and we're going to go over to delete, and we know that we want to get rid of that first step because we didn't actually need it, and we're going to hit enter, and it's going to make sure that we want to do that, and then we're going to delete it. And so now step number 2 becomes step number 1 because number 1 is gone. So now it's 4 inches for step 1, and 6, 8, 10, and 12 as you scroll through your steps. So now let's say that we decided that we want to put a step back into the program. So again, we're going to go into one of our step 1 there, and we're going to hit step, and we're going to insert a step. So we realize we want to put a step in before that one. So we're going to insert step 1. Now we're going to put our measurement in at 2 inches, hit OK. And so now if I scroll through, we have step 1 at 2 inches, step 2 at 4 inches, so our step is back again. The third thing that can happen is we need to change a step because we put the wrong number in. So again, if we're in our program and we're on the step we want to be, in this case step number 1, I'm going to hit the step button, and it's going to say load step number 1. I'm going to hit enter, so now I can just modify that to be the distance I want it to be. Hit the enter button, and now as I scroll through, you'll see that step 1 now has become 2.5 inches instead of 2 inches, and then 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So as a basic rule, you're using your step button on the step that you're at to delete, insert a new step, or modify a step.